So, this is the iPRODUCE digital twin. A digital twin is a virtual replica of physical devices. This digital twin is ideal for training, simulation, and demonstration purposes. First, I think I will explain all these four quadrants. So, the first one is the view of the 3D model. You can create your own 3D models and import it to the digital twin. From here, you can have a 360 view of the 3D model. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can rotate, and have a up-close look of these components. And also you can click on this test 3D button to view all the processes regarding this digital twin. And I will quickly reset this and move on to the second panel. So this is a Grafana dashboard. So this is a visualization and analytics tool that we use to show all the analytics related things for the selected 3D model, like currently active machines, and also currently active processes, and also the average time per task, and also if there are any failures in the system, you can view all these analytics information in the Grafana dashboard. The third panel is to show a video of the actual factory. So this can be a YouTube video, even live streaming of the actual factory, or any other video. So at the moment there's no video attached to the selected 3D model. That is why it is empty. The fourth panel and the last panel is the BPMN viewer. Business Process Modeling Notation. In short, BPMN is a graphical notation that shows the steps in a business process. So we use this BPMN to arrange the order of the processes we need to run. That way you can select the processes you want to run for the training session, or change the order of the processes. And let me actually quickly show you a sample BPMN file for a digital twin that we have. So this, you can see all the processes are arranged in order. First, crane move to the conveyor B, crane pick up the counter, crane move to the conveyor A, crane drop the counter. Likewise, you can define all the processes and the order of these processes in BPMN, and then you can import that to the digital twin. Now let's do a test run. So the first thing that you need to do is select the correct digital twin or the correct 3D model. So I'm going to select this one. So this is a smaller factory that matches this BPMN file. So I will select this one and select the correct BPMN file, and then click start. Now you can see all the processes are happening here in the 3D model, and also in the BPMN viewer you can see it highlights the currently active process. And also in the Grafana dashboard you can see it shows the analytics related to the active machine, and also the average time and things like that. So this 3D model illustrates processes for a digitized smart factory, from delivering raw material to the finished products. All these processes or activities can be simulated on a small scale and learned before they are used on a large scale, without actually wasting any resources or damaging the equipment. Thank you.